The User Access Monitor is available under the Admin module. This module functions as a logbook, providing a detailed history of activities performed by users within the PDMS application. By default, the system displays the last 7 days of activity history. Users can modify the date range and view records for a maximum period of up to 15 days. Users with the required permissions can filter the activity logs by organization, username, and timestamp. These filters help in identifying and reviewing the activities performed by a specific user within the selected period. The User Access Monitor provides complete visibility into user actions, supporting monitoring, auditing, and traceability requirements. If required, the displayed activity details can be exported and generated as a PDF report for record keeping and further analysis.